Edexel GCSE Mathematics. This is an example of an A-star grade question. We're given a square ABCD and it has side lengths of 8 centimeters. APC and AQC, APC and AQC are arcs of the circles with centers D and B. We have to calculate the area of the shaded part. First thing we should do is, for convenience, we're going to put a line from A to C, which will divide the square up into two right-angled triangles. Having done that, we can now go on to find the area of the triangle ABC. So we're going to call that T. So T is equal to base times height divided by 2, which in this case is 8 times 8 divided by 2, so that's 8 squared divided by 2, which gives us 64 divided by 2, and therefore 32 square centimeters is the area of that triangle. So we can say that T is equal to 32 square centimeters. So the first part is complete. Step 2, we're going to find the area of sector ABC. So we're looking at this area, A to B, B to C, and C back round to A. How do we find the area of the sector? It's simply the angle divided by 360. Well, the angle is 90 degrees, so that's 90 degrees divided by 360, all multiplied by pi r square. 90 divided by 360 is 1/4. And we need to multiply this by pi r squared. Well, r is 8, r squared is 64, so let's multiply by 64 pi. And if we multiply 64 by 1/4, we get 16. So the area of that sector is 16 pi square centimeters. Now I'm leaving it in that format, and by the way, this is S is equal to that, S for sector. I'm leaving it in that format because it'll be more convenient to put into the calculator when we do the next step, step 3. In step 3, we have to subtract the first part, T, from the second part, S, and then multiply it by 2. The reason for that is in step 1 we found the area of this triangle. Step 2, we found the complete area of the sector. So if we take the triangle away from the sector, we're left with this part here. However, there are 2 of those that we need to find the answer to the problem, because it's this complete area which is made of 2 of these parts here. So the reason we're multiplying by 2 is for that. And so for step 3, it's 2 lots of S minus T, so we can just simply put that, write that down, 2 bracket S, which is 16 pi, minus T, which is 32. It's all multiplied by 2. So we need a calculator for this. And simply you can just put that straight into the calculator. So 2 bracket 16 pi minus 32 right bracket gives us an answer of 36.53096491, and so I'm going to write the answer as 36.5 to 1 decimal place. So 36.5 square centimeters. Importantly, 1 dp, and that is the area of the shaded part.